You can connect the YouTube Smart TV app through your laptop, smartphone or tablet directly via Wi-Fi. To view videos from your mobile to TV over Wi-Fi, it usually brings delays to the playback stream. There is a strong chance that YouTube videos may not be displayed due to connectivity problems. If you see that YouTube does not work, the first thing you need to do is check whether or not you have connected your TV and the device with internet. The next step is to close the Wi-Fi button for a few seconds and then restore it again. You do not see a result, try turning the flight mode on and after a few seconds disabling. This has been achieved and we see that the YouTube app button with Smart TV has been activated. Many smartphone-related problems have been fixed by restarting a device. Once the smartphone is turned on again, open the YouTube app and check if the problem is resolved. Also close and reopen your TV set and give some time to connect to Wi-Fi. The next thing you can try is to see if the YouTube app needs updating. Thanks for watching the video. See you next.